Alright, let's break down the difference between a fusion bomb and a fission bomb, two terms you might have heard tossed around in science class, or maybe in a history documentary. They're also called hydrogen bombs and atomic bombs, and while both are nuclear weapons, the way they unleash energy is totally different. First up, the fission bomb. Think of this as the original nuclear weapon, like the ones dropped on Hiroshima and Nagasaki during World War II. Here's how it works. You take the nucleus of a heavy atom, usually uranium or plutonium, and split it apart into smaller nuclei. That's called nuclear fission. When that atom splits, it releases a ton of energy, plus some radioactive byproducts. Fission bombs are powerful, but they do leave behind a lot of radioactive waste. But fusion bombs? These take things to a whole new level. A fusion bomb, or hydrogen bomb, uses the energy from a fission reaction to smash two light atomic nuclei, like isotopes of hydrogen, together. This process is called nuclear fusion, and it's literally what powers the sun and other stars. The catch? Fusion needs crazy high temperatures and pressures, way more than fission alone can provide. So in a fusion bomb, you actually need a fission bomb just to get things started. Now let's talk about power. Fusion bombs are miles ahead in terms of destructive capability. Take the Tsar Bomba, the biggest fusion bomb ever detonated by the Soviet Union. It had a yield of 50 megatons. That's over 3,000 times more powerful than the Hiroshima bomb. Why? Because fusion reactions release way more energy per unit mass compared to fission reactions. And here's something: wild fusion bombs produce less radioactive waste than fission bombs, but they're also a lot harder to build because achieving those fusion conditions isn't easy. So, quick recap: fission bombs split heavy atoms, fusion bombs combine light atoms. Fusion bombs are way more powerful, cleaner, but way tougher to make. Science students, if you remember one thing, it's this: fusion is what powers the stars, fission is what powered the first atomic age. Both changed our world, but in very different ways.